Hello everyone, my name is Akash and today we are going to see about block pricing in Salesforce CPQ. So let's start. So basically what block pricing is, suppose there sometimes there is a requirement that you want to charge your customer based on the quantity they purchase. So suppose if they purchase quantity between 1 to 5, you want that you should charge them 100 rupees, and if they purchase quantity between 6 to 10, you want to apply charges of 150 rupees. So based on similarly based on the different quantity you want, if you want to apply different pricing, then you can use block pricing. So let's see how to set up block pricing product setup. So firstly you have to create one product, give a proper name. I have for testing purpose I have given this name. And one important thing, during the product creation, in the in the pricing method you have to select block. Okay, so once you select the block price, make the save the product, and after product save, just simply go on the related list, make its price book entry, make its price book entry to 0. So price book entry is important because when we create a quote, we have to select the price book. So if we not select any, if we don't make the this price book entry for this product, we are unable to see this product in the code. So make sure you make the price book entry of this product mentioning 0 as a list price. Okay, so after creating that, you have to simply go on the block price and you have to create on the new. I have already created it. I will show you. Okay, so you have to create this structure like this. Suppose you want 1 to 5 quantity, you have to set lower bound as a 1 quantity, and upper bound is 6, and price will be 100. So the upper bound will always be plus 1, whatever the quantity, last quantity you want to set. Like if you want 1 to 5, then upper bound will be one more quantity like 6, so it will count as a 1 to 5. Okay, and also I for one more additional field you can add here, like for the block pricing overage rate field. I have also created one video related to that. You can see this video. I will also paste the link of this video in the description. Okay, so once you created this block pricing structure, you have to save it, and I have saved it. Now go to the quote. I will go quote and edit lines. Let's add this product. Okay, click on the add product. Our product name is a block pricing demo. So just select it from here. Just a minute. Select block pricing. Click on select. Okay, yeah. So you can see quantity is 1, and if I have already shared mention is there, if the quantity is 1 to 5, price will be 100. So if I change it to the 5, then also I will see its quantity as 100. But when I update its quantity as 6 and click on calculate, the price will be 150. Similarly, if I for the 16 to 20, if I insert 16 here, then its price should be 250 as we created here, and from 21 onwards its price will be 300. So if I put 26, its price will be 300, and whatever, even I 50, price will be same. So yeah, this way we can apply block pricing in Salesforce CPQ. Thank you.